You are working fast, clearing out your inbox, and you hit send. A second later, your stomach drops. You realize the attachment you just fired off contained sensitive personal information, and it went to the exact wrong person. That immediate spike of panic is entirely human. You sit there, staring at the screen, weighing how much data was exposed and what the fallout might be. What you decide to do in this exact second dictates what happens next. Your immediate reaction is the single most critical factor in keeping the organization safe. In our digital workspace, a single stray click can expose confidential information and break stakeholder trust. Because data moves instantly, your fastest possible response is the only way to protect everyone involved. We call this scenario a privacy incident. It happens anytime information is sent to the wrong place, shared incorrectly, accessed without permission, or even when a company device goes missing. Personal data branches into risk pathways: exposed, lost, or misdelivered, applying to customer, employee, or student data. If accessed by an unauthorized person, it escalates into a data breach. You don't need to categorize your mistake. Both situations demand the exact same response. Diagnosing the technical severity of the event is for the security team to handle. Your only job is to raise your hand and flag the anomaly. In data security, time is your biggest liability. The faster the organization can mobilize, the tighter we can contain the leak and minimize the exposure. We call this containment velocity. Often, our natural human instinct is to hesitate out of fear of getting in trouble, but every minute spent worrying gives that exposed data time to travel further out of our control. If you suspect a mistake was made, do not hide it. Pretending the incident didn't happen guarantees the problem will get worse. This graphic highlights a crucial rule: do not delete evidence. Never attempt to permanently erase the sent email or the source files in a panic. Avoid forwarding the compromised information to other colleagues for a second opinion, and never try to fix the technical issue by yourself. When an employee tries to quietly cover up an honest error, what could have been a quick IT fix turns into a severe compliance and security failure. Instead of hiding, we rely on a clear incident response framework. It requires 4 steps: stop, preserve, report, and cooperate. Once you stop and preserve the evidence, report the event immediately. Contact your direct supervisor, the help desk, your privacy officer, or the IT security team. Give them the specifics. Tell them exactly what occurred, provide a timeline of events, list the specific data involved, and identify who received it. Finally, cooperate. Stay available and keep your lines of communication open so the security team can trace the data and shut down the leak. Following this strict protocol lifts the weight of the crisis off your shoulders and hands it over to the organization's security experts. Once the professionals take over, the initial tension dissolves. The security team handles the containment with calm, cooperative action. Stepping forward to report an error is an essential, highly valued act of corporate responsibility and transparency. It is a sign of integrity, not a reason for punishment. By acting quickly, you actively protect the customers whose data was at risk, maintain the organization's compliance standing, and protect yourself. When in doubt, report it. A culture of fast, honest reporting is the absolute best defense we have against data disasters.